Hi friends, let us look at some of the important news. My name is Dinesh Haria and I will bring you the news for all of you. As of yesterday, 50,636 new corona cases were reported all over India. Number of active cases as of yesterday was 6.23 lakhs. As of yesterday, 29.46 crore Indians got vaccinated. 5 states which still account for 50% of the cases are Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Karnataka. In Mumbai yesterday, 864 new cases were reported. Yesterday, Maharashtra recorded single highest day vaccination of 6.17 lakhs people on Wednesday. The Maharashtra Cabinet on Wednesday approved a proposal to allow Adani Airport Holding Limited to operate the Navi Mumbai International Airport, which is coming up at Panvel. In first of its initiative, Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation vaccinated 14 people in a special COVID-19 vaccination drive to vaccinate beggars and homeless people. In order to prevent multiple vaccination of such people, since they do not have identity or address proof, their biometrics, that is fingerprints, are taken and their names are noted on a portal. A Debt Recovery Tribunal, that is DRT, on Wednesday sold 39.64 million shares of fugitive businessman Vijay Mallya's United Breweries Limited to Henken NV for Rs 5,824 crore. These shares of Mallya were attached by Enforcement Directorate, that is ED, in connection with a money laundering case against the now defunct Kingfisher Airline Limited. Moody's Investor Services slashed the growth for India to 9.6% for the calendar year 2021 from the earlier estimate of 13.9%. Housing sales are estimated to rise 93% year-on-year basis for the April to June quarter across 7 major cities, but may fall 58% compared to the previous quarter due to the second wave of corona. $1 was equal to 74.28 rupees. BSE Sensex nursed losses on Wednesday after 3 days of gains, weighted by the selling pressure on Reliance Industries, finance and metal stocks. And BSE Sensex closed 282 points below the previous day closed and closed at 52,306 points. This is Dinesh Haria signing off.